You searched how to buy shares of Johnson Outdoors, Inc. This guide shows practical steps to purchase stock in Johnson Outdoors, a maker of outdoor recreation equipment such as kayaks, marine electronics, and camping gear. Johnson Outdoors trades on NASDAQ under the ticker JOUT, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker JOUT to locate the listing. Make sure you select Johnson Outdoors, Inc. on NASDAQ so you open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Check details like sector and product lines to verify it matches Johnson Outdoors. Press the Invest or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order summary before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the trade. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this same example.